So this is an entire set. It's really nice. It actually comes with a fully capable table that actually has four areas you can actually put your drinks in. And the really nice thing about this is storage as well. So when you're done with it, you can actually just go ahead and cinch it closed once it collapses down. It comes with two chairs for single people, and then you have a chair for two people. First impressions of these items, the fabric is very well made. It's not like a cheap plastic that will most likely break on the first try. So these chairs are definitely built to last, it looks like. And what's really nice is the cup holders themselves. So on the cup holder, you actually have a rubber lining on the mesh, and it almost acts as insulation for your drink that you put in there as well. So that's really nice. Um, this is definitely ideal for going to the park with your friends or having a picnic because you have multiple settings for multiple people, and you also have an area if you would like to as well. You don't have to use the chairs. You could just go ahead and sit down next to the table. You can have like I guess a sitting style.
More people too.
More people también. Yeah,
Yeah.
more people too. Right here, just sitting here around the table as well. So I mean, really, it's kind of nice because you have an entire set that matches, so it all looks like it belongs together. I mean, the aesthetic is really nice. I mean,
And
and
very sturdy.
very it's built very well. I mean, it's not something that you feel like you're going to sit on and the next time you bring them out they're going to break. These are very well made.
Yeah. Comfortable. Both of us fit very well, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, it feels really good to sit here together, right, honey?
Yeah. Yeah. And having everything, like, we didn't bring food, but we had that over here. And then we just put this as an extra, but you're totally okay to, of course, put this directly in the grass and have the drinks over here. Everybody has a cup holder, which is cool, right?
Yeah, yeah. So in fact, if you look at both chairs, um, so both single chairs actually have two holders on each of them.
Yep.
So in the event that you would like a two beverages for each hand, you have a place to put them. So
Yep.
that's really nice.
Yeah. And this is like for the snacks and things like that, but it's a really nice area, especially for concerts or any gathering,
Yeah, no, I mean, it's
camping.
nice because like it's very inviting. I mean, everyone will have a place to be able to rest and enjoy themselves. You know, that's what the best part is, in my opinion. So,
So this was helpful.